In this quick video, I'm going to run through how to calibrate your height. If you have Apex 60 with a height setter, you're going to be doing 5-axis cutting. Very important that that nozzle be 1/8 inch off your material when you're doing your bevel cuts, otherwise they'll be in the wrong position. So I'm going to go ahead and manually run the height setter and check our current height. So I got a little gauge block here. Can slide this under the nozzle. Looks like we're a little bit high. Want to be basically just rubbing against there. So in the controller, menu button, control panel, tooling, apex setter. If you make this number more negative, then it'll go down lower. So we'll go, we'll come down, we'll do 20 thou. And then I'll run my height setter again. Still a little high there. We'll come down, try another 10. So might be able to come down just a hair more. And I'm going to go up a couple thou. And that looks pretty good there. So when you got the number, just tap on save brick and then you'll be good to go.